my first exposure to radiotherapy was actually when my father had radiotherapy way back in 1980. When I first came here as a patient, I was blown away by the difference. It's so much more advanced, so much more sophisticated.
When I first heard about radiotherapy, it was during a meeting with my consultant where she explained to me what the treatment plan was and how it was going to be about chemo, surgery and radiotherapy.
I knew it was an important part of treatment for people and patients, but what it actually involved and how it contributed was not really something that I'd thought about very much.
So when I first heard about radiotherapy, I thought is quite a targeted treatment. That's what I heard. Side effects will be kind of minimized, well, whatever interpretation you may have about that. So I thought it would be, just another treatment.
I wasn't quite sure what to expect. I was a bit apprehensive, very worried, but people soon put me at ease. It's not just about the technical side. They think about the person and what they need. I asked quite a lot of questions and they were happy to answer them. So that really started to help me settle in and concentrate on the treatment.
I was on survival mode for a couple of weeks, just staying alive and coming here every weekday for my sessions. I would say it was also a very difficult experience, much more difficult than I expected. But still, I believe it was necessary. I think that journey was very well supported and that hasn't changed a bit.
It felt quite a personal experience rather than something very remote and very, very technical, which I know it is, but there was that human side as well, which was so important to me.
It's something that works for a lot of people in a lot of different cancers. It's a powerful weapon to use against cancer.
Initially I was very apprehensive, but actually quite quickly, within the space of a few days, I became much more confident about what was happening and how it was all going to go. Radiotherapy's got an amazingly important role in the treatment of cancer. I've found it really reassuring and supportive, actually, so on a personal level it's been a positive experience for me.